Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to our fans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 6, CS Galaxy 0. I'm joined by Umabaso.
What put him in a no man for matching right? Yeah, me no man for right. Sibos, Salo Waba himing outside Taliboni Pirates on 6-0 away. Aba Paula, Aba Fagas. Salo Waba himing outside Taliboni Pirates on 6-0 away. Aba Paula, Aba Commander. What putting it chair? See, about 2 legs in my Pagania. About 2 legs in my Pagania. The Pirates have 2 legs put. Sinatria is the Sikichi Misilica told. Go to Kulogu. Yes, so fella call. Yes, Kulogu, so fella call. Now give messages to 6-0. Waba mlande no Paul. Ugo about the Sundowns winner was 6-0. Yashai Pirates is a Puma Saham. What putting in chair? Hey, I'll tell you Sundowns. Sit down and you chair. Pirates in Pirates. Banana Tapa. Since you go minimum lands on a baller. What the Pirates winner always 6-0. Saloma Nakam Latelo Poland. The Pirates winner 6-0. Okay, we should team long. The Pirates might win a 6-0 away, we should team. So it's hard. Okay, I take. Unalima na telwabo la mtutu. Tohwa. Akaba Pirates chali. Man of the match. Man of the match. Man of the match. Ngamni kumfuge. Kumfuge is the one. It's the one. Hey, Goldman. Chaleta go Woods. She's a penalty team. Upalo Zamanya. Chaleta go Woods. Pirates ya bana. Pirates ya